What are we making today, Ma?
메디시 김치 깍두기.
Let's go.
여보세요.
So now we're about to make some radish kimchi. What we're gonna do is
깍두기.
깍두기. Okay, what are you doing right now?
못 깎어.
Bukaka. She's peeling the radish right now.
식당에서는 좀 크게 썼는데.
So what she's doing is she's just basically cutting it into a bite size. Like this would be a perfect bite size. 지금 껍질 다 안 깠네.
상관없어.
없어. She didn't like peel all the
깨끗해.
radish.
너무 크게
This is good. Why not too big?
뭐라 하면은
더
먹기가 불편.
크게 먹어.
조금만 썰어야 입에 쏙쏙 들어가게 하지.
화났어? So we gotta cut it bite size. So this is a good size that everybody could just eat. 반 났으면 한 개.
엄마 아니야. 아빠.
나도 not too bad, right? Be careful with radish because radish is so hard. A lot of people cut themselves. So make sure you use a sharp knife and make sure you're precise with it because sometimes you could just and cut yourself. So we're gonna throw the radish. We're gonna layer it once, boom, and then we're gonna take some salt. We'll season it a little, boom. Again, boom. And a little bit more salt. So you stack them up again, and you grab some sea salt. Again, you spread it right on top. Make sure you get it thoroughly everywhere, evenly. 잘 골고루, right?
예. 원 바럴.
One bottle?
야, 원 바럴 워로.
어떻게 원 바로인지 알아? I told you no touching today. To be honest, me and my mom, we don't measure anything out. But the only reason we're like measuring it is because we want to make the recipe for you guys, you know? Alright, so we're gonna put 2 cups of water here. We want the water to be room temperature because we want the salt and the new sugar to melt in there. 1 teaspoon of new sugar. New sugar. So usually we'll put some 2 cups of water, a little bit of new sugar and salt, and then throw it in. But we already put a lot of salt here, so we're not gonna add salt here this time. So we're gonna put this away. This away for 5 minutes. Yeah. Yo, my man. Quiet on the set. Huh? Alright, so we're gonna put this away for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna make the sauce. So we're gonna throw in some ginger, and some onion, and some garlic. And then we're gonna throw some salted shrimp in there, and some fish sauce. And lastly, we're gonna throw some cooked rice in there. Scrape all that out. Make sure you scrape all that out. Akawa means wasteful, or you gotta be resourceful, you know what I mean? Alright, so now that it's ready, now we're gonna mix everything together. Alright, so we're gonna throw that in right there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go.
친절한 가라쳤어.
Alright, so now we mixed up both in the sauce. We're gonna take this down here. Down. Whew. Just splashing a little bit of water and letting it drain a little bit. And now we're gonna throw the sauce right on top of the radish. Woo. Give that a nice little rub. Then my mom's teaching me how to cook. She's holding the camera. Let's go. My family is my team, you know what I mean? I learned how to cook from my family. We only shoot content with family, basically. Those are the people I trust and I love the most. 이렇게 하고 좀 간 더 안 봐? 이렇게 소금 더 집어넣어야 된다.
이제 좀 달게 먹고 싶은 사람은 뉴스가 한 스푼 더 넣으면 되고. 지금 난 딱 좋아.
So from here, give it a taste. If you want it to be a little bit more saltier, you could throw some little bit more 새우젓 or fish sauce.
조금 나는 싱거운 것 같아.
좀 싱거운 것 같아? We're just gonna throw a little bit more salted shrimp in there. You saw how we only literally put 1 teaspoon of new sugar, but it's already pretty damn sugary. 그래도 설탕 엄청 집어넣는 부분 같아.
근데 이제 깍두기는 설탕을 넣으면 코처럼 이렇게
찐득찐득하지. So the reason people don't use sugar here and we put new sugar in it is when you put sugar in it, it becomes all sugary and sticky. That's not how 깍두기 is made. Ooh.
맛있지?
오, 매워. Alright, so today we learned how to make radish kimchi from my mom. Shout out to my mom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys like more, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And let us know what you want us to cook next.
여보세요!